Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on GNANGSTUDIO 4D. As you can see on my hand, this is my ASUS gaming laptop, bro. It's amazing, it's unbelievable. And today I have decided to make the video editing, okay? Make a video editing quickly and show you the rendering performance about this beautiful gaming laptop. This is ASUS ROG STRIX G, bro. ASUS ROG STRIX G, and the Core i7 9th generation into with NVIDIA GTX 1660 Ti, 6 GB VRAM. Alright, 16 GB of RAM also, and this is amazing. Alright, let me show you this quickly. You can open your laptop and let me make with you the rendering. Firstly, let's open this gaming laptop. Let's turn on. Okay, let's do it together. Okay, let's put this gaming laptop here in front of you and get ready for the video editing, the test of the performance of the video editing. Okay, now let's go. I want to make a full HD 60 fps video rendering. Okay, now open your beautiful gaming laptop. Wow, this gaming laptop is so nice, bro. Now turn on to access to your beautiful gaming laptop. Welcome, bro. Welcome. What do you think about this? Alright, get ready. As you can see, it's amazing, it's unbelievable, and I like it. Alright, as you can see, it's amazing, so beautiful. Now let me put my password into. Okay, get ready to see. Welcome on your beautiful gaming laptop. Okay, alright. Now get ready. Okay, I have two fields 60 fps here. Look at that. Wonderful. Let me do that to flash quickly. Okay, two fields here are here. This field is 60 fps. 60 fps, as you can see. Yeah, the frame rate, wonderful. Now let's open quickly Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, let's open it. Wonderful. The boot of the Adobe Premiere Pro normally is quick, it's fast. Where are you? Okay, it's here. It's fast, no problem with this. This is the Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. Amazing. I'm so excited to do this video. Now open some project, 60 fps project. You will see this. Okay, when you click on this button, you can access to Recreate. Let's see the level of performance of my gaming laptop. As you can see, it's not performance. Okay, it's silence. Okay, now we continue. Let's take my field and put this field directly on my beautiful Premiere Pro. Here. Okay, here. Wonderful is here. Now Let's increase my timeline size. Wonderful. And take the first fifth to put here. Let's try again. Wonderful. Beautiful. Take the second. Oh, excuse me. Take the second and put this here. Increase now. Okay, decrease resize. Okay, and resize this thing here, just like that. Okay, I want to take this, put this here. Oh, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing? All right, now click on the touch. Okay, set L and M to access to the rendering windows. Welcome on the rendering windows from Premiere Pro. Look at that. You can configure it here. I recommend you choose this H2664. You can click on this to rename your project CCV. Okay, CCV. Click on save. Okay, look at all of information about your sources and number. This is full HD 60 FPS video, bro. 60 FPS video. Alright. Now go to export right now. Export, start it. Okay. Wonderful. You can see the R here. Okay. 50 feet, 250 feet. Okay. Wonderful. Wonderful. You can write this is 0. I can click. Let me do something. As you can see, started and okay. Video rendering started. Wonderful. You can see here 11. Okay, let me do something. You can see 11 minutes. Okay, I don't know if it's correct, but you can see also the performance of my gaming laptop is on silence. Let me see this on AMRO Create quickly. Okay, AMRO Create. Silence. Can you see something? Silence. All right. Thank you. Now you have 10 minutes here. Okay, I also the chrono is on. Now wait together. I will show you the finish. Okay, as you can see, the process continue. 9 minutes. Okay, you can wait. My chrono is here. 4 minutes. All right, it's not finished. Okay, as you can see, there are 9 minutes, 8 minutes. Now I want to do something special here. I want to go on AMRO Create and increase the powerful of this beautiful computer. Okay, we want to increase the power on this beautiful computer. Let's go on performance. Okay, click on performance. Look at what you can see here, and let's see the performance on this beautiful Premiere Pro now. 8 minutes. It's so fast now or no? There are not great difference. 6 minutes. Okay, wait. Okay, it's always on performance mode. As you can see, my fan is here. Listen. Wow. Okay, now I want to increase and go on turbo. Okay, turbo mode to see if there are impact of on my video rendering. Okay, rendering speed. As you can see on ASUS you have this field, this thing. You can click here to move to turbo, just like that. Have you seen? Now I are on we have 6 minutes, 6 minutes, 6 minutes. You cannot listen, my fan. Listen. Ooh, this is amazing. Okay, 6 minutes. I think that there are not impact on this rendering, bro. The clock speed is only on gaming. Okay, when you play gaming, when you play game, the performance impact this. If you want, I can make a test right now. Decrease on silence before turbo. Okay, and decrease also on silence just like that. And let's see if there are impacts into. As you can see, 9 minutes, bro. Okay, 9 minutes. Now look at here. You have 61%. 61% on 9 minutes, almost 10 minutes. Which is not bad. It's not bad, bro. Not bad. What do you think? Not bad. Okay, let's see after. Okay, as you can see, 5 minutes. I want to put this thing on performance, bro. On performance. Okay, click on performance and okay, launch the rendering. Okay, performance is good. Performance is good. Remember, this is information about this face, bro. This is full HD. Okay, full HD 60 fps. Okay, this is 12 minutes. 12 minutes. Okay, wonderful. 12 minutes of 60 fps video. Full HD. Alright, as you can see, we go. I also I will obtain a good performance. Look at the chrono. 12 minutes here, bro. Almost 13 minutes. What one with you, bro? Okay, 4 minutes. Okay, wait. Okay, 3 minutes. 14 minutes here. What one with you, bro? What one with you? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and get ready for more videos like that. Okay, look at that, bro. 45 seconds, and we have 16 minutes here, bro. On performance, look at that, which is on performance, bro. Performance. What one with you? Okay, wait with me. Okay, look at that. Okay, look at 1 17 minutes, and it's done. It's done now. Only 17 minutes. What wrong with you, bro? Okay, let's see the size now. Look at this. This is the field, and the size is here. 960 and 65 mega. Okay, let's see the original film. The original face is here, as you can see. This is 1 gigabyte and 35. Alright, as you can see, no problem, is working well, and this is the speed. Okay, 17 minutes is not bad, bro. It's not bad. Okay, this is the test. As you can see, it's not bad. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and get ready for the next video.